Here's a video of my controllers. As you see with the left stick, it'll read left, it'll read right, it'll read down, but it'll drift down. So I'm not holding anything right now, and look where it's staying right there. It'll even drift like pretty much any direction I'm holding. But also if I try to go up, forward, up, it doesn't work. I can't reach this top part. I can go up and to the side. I can go all the way back. I can go all the way back left, back right, but not up. So up isn't working, and drift is also on my controller. So I was wondering if I could buy a left controller from you guys while you guys get the whole return thing underway, and if I could buy a new cord, because my cord isn't exactly broken all the way, but I can tell it's slowly moving there. So I want to buy a cord and a left controller while we get all this fixed up. Thank you very much, Valve.